way home, Pinocchio met a fox. Yun. Fox and cat pala. Who were both thieves. Magnanakaw yung dalawa. Yun, nakita meron siyang coins. The cricket warned Pinocchio not to go with the thieves. But he ignored his advice. Hindi siya pinakinggan ni Pinocchio. Hindi nadinig, hindi siya sinunod. They took him to the field of miracles and told him to bury his coins in order to become very rich. Sabi nila baon niya yung pera niya para lalo siya yung yumaman. Pinocchio did as he was told, and when he turns back, the thief stole his coin. Ayun. Ginawa nga, pero nung tumalikod siya, nung binaon niya, tapos nung tumalikod na siya, ninakaw nila yung coins niya. Sa lupa. Sad Pinocchio decided to return home, but the dove told him that Geppetto had gone to look for him at sea. Punta sa dagat. Uuwi na siya, nasa lubong niya rin ibon. Sabi, wala na yung gumawa sa kanya, umalis na, hinahanap siya. Nagpunta sa dagat. Hindi, on the way, he met a group of children who were going to Toyland. At once, he forgot Geppetto and went to there. Ayun, paano na siya. Papunta na siya doon sa bahay, nasa lubong niya rin, may mga maraming bata. Sumama siya ngayon. Nagpunta sila sa Toyland. Toyland, Pinocchio played and skipped around to his heart's content. But Toyland soon became a nightmare as all the boys, including Pinocchio, changed into donkey. Ginawa siya ng ganito. Ewan ko, may magic siguro. Ayun, meron palang fairy. Yung mga ginawang donkey nung fairy. Kind fairy took pity on Pinocchio and changed him back into puppet, but warned him, every time you tell a lie, your nose will grow. Ayun. Naawa sa kanya rin, ginawa ulit siyang puppet, di na donkey. Kaya lang, sinabihan siya na kung siyang magsisinungaling. Dahil pag nagsinungaling siya, isang sinungaling, ahaba yung ilong niya. Pinocchio and the cricket left for the sea in search of Geppetto. There they came upon a huge shark, which swallowed them. What a surprise that they found Geppetto in the shark's stomach. When the shark yawned, they were able to escape. Yun. Nasa lubong nila yung, yung sa sea, yung malaking shark. Nilulong silang dalawa. Oo, silang dalawa. Nung asa loob na sila, nakita nila yung gumawa sa kanya, andoon din. Kaya na, nung umanga yung shark, nakalabas sila loob. Ayun. Yung gumawa sa kanya, si Geppetto. When they reached the shore, safe and sound, the fairy turned Pinocchio into a real boy. From that day forward, he always behaved himself. Ayun. Nung sila nasa pangpang na, ginawa ng fairy, ginawa na siya totoong boy. Hindi na... hindi na puppet. Tama na. Alas 7 na.